Hello, hello. Another day in Amed. I think I'm gonna start with some updates now to that 6 countries or six accepted nationalities who can fly straight to Bali. There are how many? 13 added, so altogether now it's 19. In the list is France, and there is also India, Italy, something else. Though that basically it doesn't matter which countries are added. What is the most important thing is that process is started, so we have more and more countries in the list. The only thing what we have to a little bit wait for is cancellation of this 5-day quarantine. I think that's really important step, because people are, like, for example, when I lived back home in Latvia, so how many holidays a year I had? I had 3 weeks, probably 1 month, right, altogether. So finally I actually divided that holiday in 2 parts, so 2 weeks for one trip, another 2 weeks for another trip, and that's how we did, and that's how so many people doing. I think that's really needed step, and I think it would be just simply logical, because the people who are accepted to enter country has to be fully vaccinated. They arrive by airplane, they're going through all these quarantine zones in the airport, so where is the risk? I think that pretty soon they will understand that, and that it will be the next step for all these rules. All right, so what we did today, we did already one dive, a technical dive at Ghost Bay. Maximum that was 45 meters. Really conservative. What we saw one shark, nothing really else, but the wall is really nice there. I love it. And now we will go and do some workshop for the emergencies, and that's will be for today. And Laura is going for the night dive. I definitely will show you today something from the night dive as well.